Get it, mama, get it. Get it, mama. Get it, mama. Get it. YouTube, I know where we're going with it today. Oh, that's crazy. Look. Grandma bought them a motherfucking rope, y'all. Anyways, YouTube, y'all know where we at today, man. Y'all hear the dogs barking. Y'all hear the commotion. Y'all, listen. Jump on me. Y'all gonna get it. Y'all gonna get popped. Told y'all about that jumping shit. Shut up. Who you talking to? You ain't talking back. Anyways, y'all know where we at, man. We out here with the big dogs. Got Chi and Chanel right here. Let me put the camera on. Chi, calm down. Chi, calm down, mama. Get down. Get down. Chanel, get down for you not get shit. Hungry ass. Looks like Grants bought them a rope already, so I ain't wasting no money, but I basically wasted some money. They already got a rope to play tug of war with. Let's see if they gonna play though. Come on. Come on, kid. Get this man. Anyway, let me bust up on what I got for him. Y'all wanna see what I got for y'all? Oh, look, another one. Another one. Another one. Get down. Chanel, get down. I'm fucking up my bag. Go get her. Go get her. Uh-oh, they can be... Uh-oh. They're gonna be fighting. Uh-oh. Get it, Chief. Uh-oh, y'all. Get him on. Get it. Guys, cut. Get it, mama. Get it. Get it, mama. Get it, mama. Get it. Come here, Chanel. Let me see. Get it, mama. Get it. Get it, mama. Let go, Chi. Let go. Chi, let go. Get it, Chanel. Get it, Chi. There you go. Now they can tug of war. Chi, what the fuck are you doing? Go, get the rope. They want to play tug of war with me. They don't want to play with each other. Ain't this about it? Look. Come on. Get it, Chanel. Get it. Get it. Uh-oh, German Shepherd versus Bully. German Shepherd versus Bully. Hold on. Like Chanel won. Come here, Chanel. Come here. Come here, Chanel. I should go get hypey. Gee, come on, why is you trying to juke the camera? Huh? Why is you trying to get down? Get it, Chanel, you gotta get it. That's the battle I want to see. All right, I'm done with them, man. Hey, cat. I'm about to go prepare their food. We'll be back out. I'm about to basically show you how I feed my dogs. Left the damn dog food in the house. This was Pops be buying this pedigree shit, you feel me? Shit, I be using whatever. Shit, I be using whatever most of the time. So whatever we got, this is what we use. But the dog food I buy is Victor. It's Victor brand. So I usually buy the Victor brand. It don't really matter which brand you buy, Victor. Your dogs will probably fuck with anything from Victor. But I'll try a new brand. But first, I'm gonna finish using up this bag before I open up another bag of dog food. Cause if y'all don't know, once you open up your dog food, that shit bound to go bad, like food, mildew. That shit attract rats and hella shit. So I'll be trying to use whatever the fuck we got first. But so right now we about to use some of this pedigree chicken and steak flavor. Got a little bit of leftover spaghetti for my lunch for the dogs. Sometimes I be throwing my leftovers in there with their food and mix it up. I never just give them straight dog. I mean, I never give them just straight human food. anytime I give them human food, I mix it with some dog food or something. So they kind of think that it's supposed to be in their dog food or whatever. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start giving them this Be Strong. Look like they both coming in the heat. And then I'm gonna throw some of this fresh salmon oil I got for the dogs and see how this shit work with it. Yeah, it look like this shit done busted open. What the fuck? Oh yeah, this shit stink. I see what the lady was talking about. This shit smell like real fish. Like when you go fishing, you catch a fish, and you know how you come back and you smell like straight fish. This is exactly what this shit smell like the fucking sea. But anyways, y'all, let me finish.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Brother, nigga, that ain't never changed. We done been through hell and back and lost some niggas to the grave.
Got all my shit. It smell like straight fish out here, boy. Go check on Chi, see what she out here doing. Chi, what you doing? You slamming, mama? Chi mama. Chi mama. Chi mama. Look. Chi. Look at me. Like, fuck you, dad. This shit good. Yeah, I'm on my little gimbal, so if this shit be like moving out of angles and shit out of positions because it's gimbal shit. I'm finna take it off this shit in a minute. Uh-oh, everybody sniffing Chanel. She might be in heat, y'all.